Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to permanently delete an Instagram account. So let's get started. First, visit your Instagram profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines at the top right of the page to access your settings and privacy section. At the top, click on Account Center. Then scroll down until you find Personal Details and select it. Next, navigate to the bottom of this section and choose Account Ownership and Control. You will find options to deactivate or delete your account. Select this option. Then, choose the specific account you want to delete. If you have several accounts, select the one related to Instagram to proceed. Then, choose if you want to deactivate or delete your account. In this case, it's delete, so click there, then press Continue. Now, choose a reason from the drop-down menu for why you're deleting your account. Don't worry, this won't affect the deletion process. And click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Now you need to enter your Instagram password. After you've entered it, click on Continue. Remember, you'll have 30 days to change your mind. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.